How to download YouTube Kids on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get YouTube Kids and how you can set it up for your child. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you do is open up your Google Play Store. YouTube Kids is a child-friendly version of YouTube. It's designed for kids aged under 12, and it offers a safer online video experience by filtering content to be age appropriate and providing parental controls. So it's a good way to monitor what your children are consuming online. So first thing you need to do is tap on the search bar and simply search for YouTube Kids. Hit enter and then you can just tap on the app. Now you'll see a big install button here. Just tap on it and it will be installed on your device. Now once the app is installed, just go ahead and tap on open. And once you open up the app, you'll have to just go ahead and set up your account. So it says get a parent to unlock your device. So just tap on get started. Now from here, you'll have to sign in using a parent's account, so just tap on continue, select the account that you want to sign in with, and then tap on sign in. Now from here, you can select a different number of features, so just swipe to the right, tap on next, and then from here, you can create a new account. So just tap on the plus icon, so you can enter a password and create an account for your kid. So that's much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.